Welcome, I'm Tracy Drake, and this is the first in a series of videos introducing standing Qigong. Now I will be offering some chair Qigong coming down the road, but for now we are going to practice in the traditional way, standing, and I'm introducing the 8 brocades. So this video is the first brocade, 2 hands supporting heaven, and there will be other videos coming with the other 7 brocades at another time, but this is just a short video on our first brocade. So join me on your yoga mat or on a nice stable flat surface, feeling comfortable on your 2 feet, a little bit of softness behind the knees, standing securely, stacking the big joints more or less on top of one another, but just being aware of how you are standing. Taking a couple of nice deep breaths, and then we take our hands and we kind of scoop the energy from the earth and carry it up towards the chest, flipping the hands towards the heavens and then reaching up, and then exhaling, allowing soft arms like silk ribbons, brocades, to float to the earth. Inhale all the way up, have a stretch while you're there, and then exhaling, floating the arms down towards the floor once again. Inhale up, exhale down. So just moving at the speed of your breath, whatever that is today, slowing the mind down, slowing the body down, coordinating the breath with the movement. Inhale up, exhale down. Beautiful. Nice soothing movement. Physically, we're having a nice stretch, opening up the ribs, the spine, stretching the arms up. Subtly, we're influencing the chi in the body and around us. Qi Gong, working our qi. Nice. One last repetition. And of course, you just work to your comfort level. If you've quit already, that's fine. Just letting the hands float back down to the sides of the body, finding your basic standing Qigong position once again. And there you have it. 2 hands support heaven. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.